Hi traders, uh, good morning if you are in US and good afternoon if you are in the Euro area. So at my time now is 10 p.m. evening time. So today is 5th of December 2018. So this is live trade for January contract 2019. So I have queue my stop limit order for buying position here. So if you can see, uh, let me draw something. Okay, there's a line here. Okay, hopefully the price can break this nearer side for the upper side price movement. So at this moment, we are still waiting for this order to be filled. So I've queued at 53.36. So this is my order. So once it's filled, then we are expecting around 20 to 30 ticks price movement, or whenever comfortable, then I will exit the market. So it has been 2 days. I have trade yesterday, but only a small portion with 17 ticks. It was a good one and also a quick one, but I didn't manage to capture it live since it's very quick. So we back on live trade. So as you can see now, the price almost hit my stop limit order at 53.36. This is my queue, so almost there. So maybe I can capture it live. So now it's 53.35. So fill already. So let's wait. Okay, we are on the move. Already got fill -10. So the stop limit will be somewhere here. So this one is a clear one. So around 53.01, or maybe I can stop if the price fall back towards here. This means a few points below pivot level. So let's wait and see. So as you all know now, the US session just begin, so it will be a drastic move. Okay, it's a bit slow because I'm expecting for the price to spike very fast. If the price fall back to this area of 53.15, then I will exit. So I will put my stop loss 53.15 or 14, something like that. So 14 is 22. Okay, here is my stop limit order. Okay, already there. So you can see I've entered my position here. So now this is my stop limit. Below this, I consider it will fail for this bullish movement for a short term. And the nearest high is here at 53.44. So once the price break through this 53.44, then there is a high tendency for the market to go on the bullish movement. So far, it looks very slow. So by the way, this is 5-minute time frame. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the price can break through and make a profit for tonight. So even if it is around 17 or 18 days, then I will take it. So I don't expect much because I don't like to stay long in the market. As long hit my target, then okay. If I want to have more profit, then I will increase my position size. Okay, at this moment the price still 4 ticks below the market that I have entered at 53.36. So let's wait and see. Hopefully there is no reversal. So this blue line indicates this is pivot level. Okay, when you are back in the 0 0. By the way, the market already bullish since today evening my time. And if you are in the USA, when you are sleeping, the price already on the bullish movement. Okay, now the price still maintain above VWAP area, so I'm expecting for the bullish kind of trend. I'm not sure how far it will go, but at this moment, okay, it looks good. 2 ticks, 1 ticks. So hopefully it will go beyond 10 ticks. So I have around 15 minutes expectation. Okay, now it moved a little bit faster. Once it's break this immediate high of 44, then the price might go in the better, I think, speed. Okay, let's put this way. I'm expecting for the price to break through this level and go for the higher price movement. Let's go back to my platform. So far, looks quite interesting at this moment. I might increase my stop loss to 20, so look reasonable. Okay, now we have 5 ticks. If I'm not mistaken, already breakthrough. Okay, almost there. Now it's 42. Another 2 more ticks before the market can break through this nearest high, which is at 44. Or already, no, not yet. Another few more ticks. So maybe I can capture this live, because yesterday it was a quick one, all within 10 minutes time. So hopefully today I can also capture it live. So at this moment we are 5 ticks, 6 ticks above my entry level, 7 ticks. So keep increasing, it looks good. Almost 1 tick below the nearest high. This is the nearest high. If the price manage to break this level, then it will go much more faster. Yes, it already break. So okay, looks good. The price already break, so you can see already break. So hopefully the price will not reverse back. So I will increase my stop loss to somewhere here. So this will be my new stop loss, which is 53.20. So that's mean I'm risking around 16 ticks for 20 ticks in reward. So now the price move back, doesn't looks good, because I'm expecting if the price break this high, then it will go much more further high. So let's wait, because only a few seconds have just been passed. Okay, 20 ticks is still far. I will pause this video for a while and we'll resume back later on. Okay guys, we'll resume back again. So at this moment it doesn't look good. The market did reverse back after the positive reaction, about 13 ticks. So it moved back around 7 ticks or 8 ticks below my positions, entry position. So at this moment minus 70 US dollar. So this means around minus 7 ticks. So let's wait and see. The volume is not very active at this moment. Maybe a lot of traders is still waiting for the right uh, situation to going into the market. So at this moment I've increased my stop loss. If you watched it earlier, this is quite reasonable. If I try to push it down, I will go maybe around 18 or 17. So to be fair, so this might hit my stop loss, or okay, doesn't look good. Okay, doesn't look good. So I will remove a little bit my stop loss 17. This means around I've reached around 19 ticks for again more than 20 ticks, so it's about ratio 1 to 1. Okay. Okay, let's pray that the price will go on the higher price movement. But at this moment it doesn't look good. Oh no, I have to exit somewhere at 20. 20 is a good place to exit the market at this moment. Yeah, to be fair, 17. So might hit my stop loss. Okay, maybe it's not a good entry. 70 ticks. Okay, I guess I'm out. Yeah, hit my stop loss. So it was an unlucky one. There's a loss of 19 ticks. After the price tried to already break through, then tried to reverse back. But still the market on the bullish price movement. So let's wait and hope there is another entry opportunity. Okay, let's wait. I think that's all for this video. Maybe I will resume in another video if there is more entry for tonight. I mean, for this morning if you are in the US. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. We'll keep posted all my live trading. Okay, including the losses and also the profit one. So this one, that's it. It's a loss. So I will wait for another signal later on. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.